Hey everybody, Dominic Nesher here. Today I'm talking to you about capital gains in Whiteboard Wednesdays. Capital gains, very simply, is the amount by which a property increases in value relative to what you paid for it. Now let's just assume that we bought a property for $150,000 back in 1995 and today it's worth $650,000. So in total, your capital gain is a cool $500,000. Now, I'm not a tax accountant, but I will touch on capital gains tax just very lightly. Now, assuming we sell this property and we've held it for quite a long time, you've held a property for more than 12 months, you get a 50% discount on your capital gains. So it's $500,000. Half of that is $250,000. Now, assuming I earned $100,000 in income that year, that $250,000 gets added to my income base. So now we're paying at the top marginal tax bracket. Now, the only difference in this scenario is if it's your PPR, or your principal place of residence. Now, if it's your own home and you sell it, basically you don't pay any tax on that. So that's a strategy in itself. That's capital gains. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll talk to you all soon.